Prescient is an engineering software company and we are operating since more than 23 years now. And we have our solutions ranging from design as well as in manufacturing. Traditionally, we have operated in design space a lot. Our clients really look at us as a partner who can solve their complex engineering problems and as a genuine partner. So we have developed that kind of a reputation. And now in manufacturing, we are extending our services or our solutions in manufacturing in the form of our products, Factory Connect, Power Connect and Machine Connect. So industry is looking forward to run the factory in future based on their own data, and our products are bringing that data on their desktops, on their laptops, so that and that can make sense to them. Their decisions can be based on them. So in your journey of Industry 4.0, we would like to contribute, and we would like to engage with you. We would like to have discussions with you. So looking forward to have a connect. Thank you so much.